Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I am making another memory decks card, and I'm using some of the stuff from our Disney and September themes. So I cut out a fussy cut Minnie's bow from the paper pad, the 12 by 12 paper pad, and I'm using a ready-made store-bought memory decks card for my base. And so I went ahead and stitched up some tulle to the top and added my shaker bits in here, and it's kind of like a Minnie Mouse style theme without saying Minnie Mouse. So I put the bow on top of the tulle, and I want to use this part to raise up my rosette. I want to do this. I'm trying to do this quickly so we can get these in the mail soon as possible. So I want to add these two shirts. So one represents Mickey, and to me one would represent Minnie. I just need to add a bow, and I wanted to either add this little cup right here or this little cup right here, one of the two. I think this one is too Halloweenish, and I think I will go with this one, something like that. So let's get this all attached and we can get our memory decks made. And I'm just using hot glue to attach everything. And I'm trying not to get on the tulle part so we don't lose our shaker effect. We could still have some shaker business going on. I want to make sure this is on here so we can hide the seam. This is a rosette that Gabby had sent to me in Happy Mail, and that is Mommy and her 4 little ladies. I love it. I've used almost all of her rosettes from her Happy Mail that she sent to me, and I think this is my last one. So thank you, Gabby. Thank you, ladies, for your Happy Mail. It has gone a long way in my crafting supplies. They're perfect. Okay, so I got that going. Now I want to add this, but I also think I want some kind of extra, you know, so hold on. Let me find some extra. Now here is some ruffled crepe paper that I made, and it looks like that. Just made a straight stitch, very long straight stitch, and then I just pulled one thread and gathered on my own thread. So you can have it very ruffled or you can have it less ruffles, if that makes any sense. Let's see what we could do here. I guess that would make it, I think that's it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Might even be too much. Yeah, too much. So, let me see. Let's use some purple. There we go. I think that would be pretty too. Just getting some extra colors in here. Can't really see it. Separating her folds a little bit and see what we get. I don't know. Or stick them in here like that. We'll see. See what we can do. That's cute too. And then raise up our cup. I think. I don't know. Maybe not the yellow. maybe just the shirt. The purple is so random. We're eliminating, see, process of elimination. I think that will be it for our card. I think eliminated so much. Now I want to put a sentiment on it. Yeah. Let's do that. I'm going to put it on the back of the shirt first. And then I think that would do it. And you don't lose that it's a mug. It's a mug, it's a mug. How is that? I think that's sufficient. Have to get the shirt put down because we know that's what we want. And let's add this to the back of the cup. And I'm going to find a sentiment. I think that's cute enough, right? I think so. Hold on. Got two little balloons. Yeah, I think we're going to use that. I think that is good. I'm going to use that. Just, you know, little extra touches. I don't want to overthink what I want on here because then it'll take me forever. And then I'll just add the little cup right there. There we go. I love it. I have to find a sentiment though. So let me find a sentiment really quick. Oh, let's see. Do we have something here? Nope, we have a mini. Okay, so here is the sheet that I cut out. And I think, I don't know. Beautiful seems like a good option. So I'm going to figure this out and add it to our memory decks. Just want something sentiment on here. Go ahead and fussy cut this since it's got extra writing around it. Beautiful. I'm going to go ahead around these corners. There we go. Perfect. Covering up most of it. I think I'm going to go ahead and use it right here. And just go ahead and tap it down. Like that. Right on the shirt. And then we still have our shaker. I'm just going to shake all the pieces around. There we go. Okay. So a lot of process of elimination. Okay, now I'm going to add some Winkastella. Winkastellas. I love this thing. Christian we did a live and she shared with me that I can paint using the Winkastella, and oh my god, I'm so in love with painting it with the Wink of Stella instead of my water brush. So I will be doing more of that later down the road. Okay, I'm just putting some Winkastella all over her bow. And then I also want to add my info on the back part of the card, and that will be super easy. Share with you guys. Just hitting up whatever pink parts that are showing. Okay. And that's all it really needs on there. So cute. I love it. I'm going to put this in. This is my entry for Photos by Jersey. I'm just going to stick that down just so it's not flapping. So making sure everything is stuck there real nice. Got some Mickey heads in there. We've got some cut out hearts, and we got some dewdrops, and I'm trying to flip over this dewdrop right here. It's all twisted. There we go. It's actually a flat back, but okay. So that's what I've got. Very colorful. My touch of purple explains who I am, and I love Mickey and Minnie. That is my card. I'm just going to add my info to the back and find a way to cover this up. Thank you all for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you had fun. Very easy, very quick, and I'll see you all on the next video. Go check out Photos by Jersey Girl. Enter her giveaway challenge. It is her birthday. Bye, guys.